You ready to go to Jamaica? Say bye-bye.
Mommy.
Okay, I got it. So if you have a kid that needs to wear a mask, these mask chains are amazing. Niall always had an issue with dropping his masks on the floor. And we don't have that issue anymore because the mask just, you know, does what it does. Just stays around his neck. That's one thing I hate about airports with trains. I just feel like it's a lot too. You just gotta really be mindful of your timing. You okay? And Nolan is knocked out. His seatbelt is already on. He put it on himself, actually.
Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye. What's the time? It's a sign. Realign, redefine in my mind. Beach days turning into late nights. Sunshine, let me dead in the eye.
KOOLZ,
What's the time? It's a sign. Realign, redefine in my mind.
One time for your mind and two for the soul. Third eye open, you can feel when it's closed.
So we finally landed, and he's on his iPad, of course. Hi, Mommy. And we're about to get off of the plane. They left me and they went. Where did y'all?
I'm glad we did. It took forever.
I had to do my hair, y'all. My hair was looking crazy. Happy New Year. My forehead looks shut. I just did my hair, y'all. My aunt did my hair. Y'all, Jamaica is my favorite place in the world. I know people wonder why I come here so much, but it's only because it's perfect. Palm trees, blue skies, crystal waters. I'm from the best place on earth.
Okay, I want to Cheers! 2022! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Bro, you alright? Done? Watch you get out of the way, man.
Paint a picture in my head. Rewrite every word you said. I get so lonely, I forget all the reasons why I left. I've been dancing in the dark and falling out of bars, making out with versions of you. Here comes the hardest part. Remember how we started, forget the word, little confused. I hope you feel better while you're sleeping on your own.
I would be good at this. I would be good at this. Because there's only 2 movies. Wow, that was easy.
I choose swimming.
To do what?
Drink.
Turning now. Hold on. Trying to say.
You driving, Nolan?
Hold on.
I'm weak because he's actually doing it.
Nolan, you can't look funny woman, so you have to look this way.
You're gonna crush me. I was gonna say, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Nobody need their license when they
Yeah,
You excited? Yeah. Excited?
KFC.
No, that 9 piece now gonna work. 999.80.
Hey, this one
Yeah, that can work. But then I did say you have one.
We're trying to decide what to
Family
get.
9.
What is it come
Which other too many have apart from family 9?
Oh, that's because he's
We're going white river rafting. Or we're going river rafting on the White River. I can't speak. We're going river rafting on the White River today. This was $30 US per person or 4,000 Jamaican dollars. So not too bad. And I think it lasts about half an hour. And you have the option to get wet if you want to, and you don't have to get wet if you don't want to. My sissy. Hold my hand now. Okay. All right, mommy or Auntie Nadia, go and then let me give you Nile. Come sit right here. Yeah. Just a boat. We're on a boat. You like it? We're going the same way.
they're gonna take.
You see the spider web? You see the spider web?
I guess it's
big
that
spider.
to take. Oh yeah, see the spider web like this.
We passed it. It's okay, we passed it. Yeah. There's no shark. There's no shark. There's no shark in there now. Okay.
Yeah, Rafting 775, yeah? Check it out.
We're going in the water. I bet you it's gonna be cold.
Yeah, wake him up.
Nolan is sleeping. Ah! Oh, it's not that cold. Niall, you want me to lift you up?
Don't go away in the water.
Ooh,
Look, it's small. You're gonna sink, okay? So
yeah.
the one that you're gonna sink.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean.
Until it's right here, so then it gets a little.
It's baby shark.
Yeah. Cause Papa, you be no. Cause Mama, you be no.
So we just came back from river rafting and we are at Plantation Smokehouse now, about to eat some food. I'm gonna show you how the food looks. I ordered a surf and turf, so steak and lobster, and some fries for Niall, who's knocked out. The surf and turf was $36, and the drink I got was $4, not bad, but there's no alcohol in it. And the side order of fries was $3. So I'll put like B-roll of how the food looks, and I'll let you know how it tastes too. So I got pigtail soup. It's not too salty. It's pretty good. It's not fresh. And I've never had this before, and I really like it. All right, so here's my surf and turf. I got steak, medium well, and lobster and potatoes. And it came with some veggies. I hope this is spicy.
No, I didn't take any. So you want to come around here so cuss down beside Niall the whole night?
Cool.
Renee.
Why?
So she dip on one cheek. Because no one was too hard to hold with. My foot has to be like
One batty cheek. Yeah. So then Michaela can.
You guys are so inappropriate.
yeah. Time over and sit beside Niall. Yeah.
If you're looking for more of a Jamaica experience, I would suggest renting a car, like getting an Airbnb or like a guest house. Renting your own car, because the streets here are pretty navigatable. Google Maps works perfectly fine out here. So if you come, download Google Maps beforehand, just in case you're in an area where there's little to no service, and Google Maps will take you pretty much wherever you want to go out here. If you're not really on the adventurous side, you can get transportation at the resort that you're staying at, or you can charter a taxi, and that taxi will bring you wherever you need to go. Also, please beware that Jamaica is not an American Express friendly country. I've been to countries before where they're fine with taking American Express everywhere you go. Make sure if you are bringing an American Express card, also bring a Visa or a MasterCard as a backup. Even Discover is a little bit iffy. Also, I'm very sorry for the choppy footage for this trip. Most of the time I was visiting family and I don't get to see them that often, and so I really am like the type of person who likes to be in the moment instead of filming all the time, especially when it comes to things like that. So I hope that I filmed enough. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section below, or add me on Instagram and send me a message, and I will answer any questions that you may have. Wow.
You want to get my seat? This is a good place right here. I'll let you get in. And then I'll squeeze over here and you can get a picture. All right. There you go.
Oh my goodness, Niall.
Yeah. Turn around, look at your mom.
Say hi, Niall.
Crew members
Hi, Jamaica.
Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product including chewing tobacco is not allowed on any Delta flight.
I'm your Valentino. Valentino, slip me on and take me home. Take me home. Let me pull you closer, spending too much time alone.